Nestled within the bustling heart of Rosario, Argentina, the hidden house seeks privacy without sacrificing a central city location. With an unusual layout, the house narrows to just 3.4 meters at the entrance, gradually expanding towards the heart of the property. The street-facing facade is entirely opaque, providing an illusion of secrecy and preserving the privacy of its inhabitants. Designed to blend in, the hidden house reveals itself as a quiet urban sanctuary, tucked away from the city's high-rise landscape. Entering the residence, a semi-covered courtyard awaits, merging green space with the garage, offering a subtle invitation to the hidden home. On the ground floor, the kitchen serves as the heart of the home, with seamless transitions between the gallery and the garden. The house employs light tones, with white walls creating a sense of spaciousness, while warm wood flooring adds a welcoming touch. Though introspective, the house offers serene views of water and greenery, along with cross-ventilation and abundant natural light. The house embraces a neutral palette, using light-toned bricks and wood accents, complemented by greenery to foster a sense of well-being for its occupants. Thoughtful design makes each room feel connected yet distinct, creating a fluid living experience. Designed for functionality and low maintenance, the house suits its residents' practical lifestyle, yet still feels like a true home. The barbecue area connects seamlessly with the kitchen and outdoor spaces, featuring a curtain system that can be closed for added shade, a contemporary touch that enhances both comfort and style. The wooden pergola in white and natural tones adds to the play of light and shadow, bringing dynamic movement to the outdoor area throughout the day while managing sun exposure. The home's core is a light-filled vertical axis, connecting all three floors and maximizing both space and natural light. Upstairs, a centrally illuminated hallway links three bedrooms, fostering a feeling of connection and spaciousness. The design achieves a minimalist aesthetic, with subtle details that enhance function and elevate each space through understated accessories. On the top floor, terraces extend the living area outdoors, especially valued during winter when sunlight becomes essential. One terrace opens onto the street, offering a rare glimpse of the city, balancing the house's concealed and open elements. The terrace connects directly to the home office, creating an open and inviting workspace that allows for fresh air breaks, socializing, and sunlight during the workday. Every detail of the house reflects a meticulous approach to minimalist, contemporary, and casual design, from the service staircase and railing to the furnishings like wooden stump benches. Floor-to-ceiling windows were designed for the bathrooms, enhancing the sense of space and allowing natural sunlight to flow in, echoing the home's overall aesthetic and fostering a serene retreat from the bustle of city life. Concealed from the street, the hidden house invites discovery, balancing solitude and urban life. This compact facade is designed to blend into the urban landscape while concealing a spacious retreat within. This home seems to defy physics, magically unfolding and expanding as it's explored, opening up to the inner lot and existing as a true urban retreat. It is a proof that architecture has the power to enhance and elevate even the most challenging spaces, skillfully manipulating volumes and textures to make even the most compact areas pleasant to live in. A true city retreat. Hidden house redefines privacy in a densely populated neighborhood. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.